All right, what you doing, bud?
Lighting this fire.
Awesome. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Closer to, yeah, that'll work. Start right there.
Right there?
Yep.
Oh, come on. Oh, and guys, just so you know, I'm not a trained professional.
Are you not?
No.
Looks like we're professionals. We never knew we could use pine shavings to start fires.
But now we do.
Now we do. Tried this a few weeks ago and it worked like a champ.
I was the idea. I was the idea man. So, I might be a trained professional.
So what we'll do is let this blossom up. Then we'll throw this here, isopropyl alcohol,
As my
99%
As my sister,
interruptobot.
as my sister would say, I'm a trained professional.
Alright, so let's get some of these. This is what I meant when I was saying closer. Get these over here. Because you want the fire to go under the sticks.
Yeah. I know what you mean. Don't get your hand in the fire.
But I'm just putting these loose shavings on top.
Eventually it'll burst into flames. I like fire. Wouldn't this be a good roasting hot dog fire?
No. So you see how just a little bit of wind blows this fire out.
Should I blow it?
Well,
I got it going a bit more.
you did. Okay, here. Let's. You hold the camera. Oh, dang, it is going out.
Do we need the leaf blower?
No. We don't have that much fire yet.
Okay, that got it going good.
Yeah. See if this will fire back up too.
Should we start adding bigger sticks? You thinking on that?
Maybe.
Aren't pine shavings, or just any shavings, the easiest to start on fire? Because sticks are usually really wet.
Yeah. Let's here back up
Okay,
so I can get into where you are.
I'm back up. But I'm going back in because I want to see the fire because I love some fires.
Let your fire dance.
I want to see some fires because I like some fires.
All right, this isn't working as well today as it did last time. What do you think that is, buddy?
Because it's a bit more windy.
I think
Is it time to fly my kite?
it's a bit more wet outside.
Yeah. Didn't it rain last night and tonight?
Yeah, it rained a lot yesterday, remember? Like we had a big storm. So look, that's what you got to do. Keep turning it over on the coals.
So it will be less tempting. Sorry, people, but we're gonna get away from the fire.
Okay.
And turn. And there's the barrel over a fire. Neat, isn't it?
Nope.
And there's a wind protector. And now I can't watch the fire without getting my face steamed. Just throw it in.
Yeah.
Hope I didn't miss anything. Just so you know, we set off a lot of fires. We should be trained professionals. I'm just gonna need to grab a stick from here. Can I throw this one in? This should a big fire. And that's right! I like seeing myself on the screen.
Do you?
And that's right!
Is that because you're goofy?
Oh, we got a big fire going. To record the fire. Are we gonna put the fire video and the cutting barrel video together?
Yep.
We should have just kept it rolling. Why do actors call it and rolling? Rolling. No. I said directors, not actors.
All right. More?
It's like that line.
Buddy,
thing.
bring all of them. What do you do?
I don't like to bring all at once. It's too
I
much.
don't like to stand over a hot barrel for a long time.
It's too much work.
Too much work.
And guys, if it just looked like I almost tripped, that's not true. It is true.
What do you do when you've got brush and sticks bigger than your barrel? You want them to go in the barrel. What do you do?
Smash up.
The old reciprocating saw with a pruning blade. So to use a recip saw for pruning, you really have to hold on firm, push the saw into the wood,
Let her rip.
and let her rip.
I know what the fire does. Makes the sticks colder. That is not true. It actually makes the sticks like 3,000 degrees hotter.
Buddy.
I'm a little silly.
Okay, so there it is, burn barrel.
Burn barrel. Aren't we supposed to have 2 burn barrels?
Probably put a little too much in for now, but it's gonna handle itself.
Yep.
We've got just enough airflow coming in the bottom.
And we're
You
not.
can tell because you can see the light down at the bottom of the barrel there.